Yo, what's up guys? We're back in Animal Company. I know I haven't been posting in a while. It's because my VR was taken away, but eventually it got back. So yeah, there's a new update, and the thing I like the most is this. Yo, wait, hold on. What are you supposed to do here? Wait, hold on, does this give me company coins? I'm pretty sure it got me something. But okay, the thing I know is there was a bat. There's a bat. They had a bat. Oh, there it is. Yo, I saw this one short on TikTok, and there was a bat. A kid had it, and it was unreleased. Yeah, why don't we go check out other things? So all you know is this is new about the update. Yeah, let's go check out other stuff. So first of all, we'll check out this. Okay, nothing new here. Okay, next thing is lake. Nothing here new either. Yeah, I see the trees. They're beautiful. Now forest. Wait, is it? Oh. Oh. Oh gosh, this is scaring me. Oh god. Okay, anyway, let's see what we have new in mines. No, it's kind of. Oh. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. It's kind of weird to play after you didn't play for so long. Okay. Okay, so these are just apps. You can't see them, but they're just installing. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to Thunder VR. Okay, so basically, I don't see anything new. Supers. Oh shit! Oh shit! What the hell? Wait, hold on, they changed this. Oh shit, oh, no. Oh no. Okay, so we're out of servers and let's go into public. But first of all, let's eat some vegetables. Yum yum. Oh. What the hell? What the hell? Yo, where'd you get that? Where'd you get that?
The popcron.
No, it's easy to get.
Wait, I'm gonna eat this hot Cheeto.
So
Yo, guys, I'm making a video. I have 500
Not everybody has
subscribers.
me.
Yo.
What is rare Ben, bro?
Walk over there and you'll know exactly
A
everything.
life?
Yo! Dang, bro! Yo! Oh, shit!
You stole all of my stuff. I just
Yo!
don't know that, bro.
Damn! So why did you do with these guys?
My crowbar! Oh, here's my crowbar! No! Oh my god, why do you have to steal everything?
There's a hand coming out of the machine.
Yeah, that's the kill.
Why are you stealing stuff? Dude, why are you stealing stuff?
Kill him.
Oh, what is this? Wait, where do you get where do you get that?
I didn't know! I found it on the ground!
Wait, so, wait.
Okay, bye.
I'm supposed to find... God damn it. Yo! Okay, I gotta get them. Really close, really fast. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and the next video will be a scamming video. I'm gonna try to find scammers. So yeah, bye.